Hey guys, Reverend Ron Gelock here. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to add a sub-user to your Aweber dashboard here. So what you're going to do is go all the way to the right-hand side where your little profile thing is, and go down two choices to Team Hub. Click that. And this is where you're going to invite a user. You can invite anybody. So for our purposes, you're going to invite Jordan. So Jordan, you can just put H, and his email is Jordan at goodsparkconsulting.com. And you want to do team member, not admin, because admin can edit your and view your billing info. So always do team member. And then send invite. I already have Jordan here as a user, so I can't send him an invite. But then it'll look like this. And if for any reason you ever want to change the status, you can just click on them, change it to admin or team member, and that's about it. So that's how you add a user to Aweber. You can go ahead and add Jordan to that now. All right.